Broadwalk Business Brokers is pleased to present an exceptional opportunity to acquire a well-established stock feed manufacturer. Founded in 2008 by the current owner, this business has demonstrated consistent reliability and profitability over the years. Our vendor has successfully secured dedicated supply lines and established strong client contacts, ensuring a stable foundation for future growth. With low operating costs and impressive returns on investment, this business represents a compelling opportunity for serious investors looking to step into a thriving market. We are offering a well-established stock feed business for sale. This operation receives raw materials that are expertly milled into high-yield animal feed. The resulting products have gained popularity among a diverse clientele within the meat production sector, including feedlots, dairies, pork producers, horse owners, and chicken producers. In addition to serving the agricultural market, the business has potential income streams in industrial applications, environmental cleanup, and horticulture. These areas currently remain underdeveloped, providing a new owner with significant opportunities for growth and expansion. If you are interested in taking on a business with a solid foundation and immense potential, please reach out for more details. This is a chance to own a company that plays a vital role in the food production chain and has avenues for further development. Don't miss out on a valuable opportunity. Appreciate what is genuinely on offer by contacting Broadwalk Business Brokers today at 1300-136-559. You can also visit our website at www.broadwalkbusinessbrokers.com.au and enter the reference number in the search bar for more information. Act now to ensure you make the most of what we have available.